If you're having trouble with your iPhone's cellular service or network, you're not alone. This kind of issue can pop up for several reasons, like weak network coverage, software glitches, or incorrect settings. But don't worry, this guide is here to help you get your iPhone cellular connections back on track. Let's dive in and get started. Solution 1. Refresh your mobile network. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, toggle airplane mode on. After that, wait a few seconds and then toggle it off again. This simple step will help refresh your network connection. Solution 2. Enable 4G or 5G from voice and data settings. Start by opening settings on your iPhone. Tap on cellular or mobile service. Then tap on mobile data options. After that, tap on voice and data. Select 4G or 5G on to prioritize both voice and data. Now restart your iPhone to apply the changes. Solution 3. Check your carrier and update settings. Updating your carrier settings can help fix network issues. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then tap on About. If there is an update available, you'll see a prompt to update your carrier settings. If nothing pops up, simply go back to General and then tap on Software Update. If you see a new software update available, go ahead and update your iPhone to the latest version. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can be a great way to resolve persistent connectivity issues. Start by opening settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then choose Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have them handy. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve cellular service and network issues on your iPhone. Let me know if any of these solutions worked for you or if you have any more questions. I'm here to help.